How does Netflix know what to recommend? How do games like Minecraft work? What language does a computer actually understand? Today, you'll discover how programming languages let humans talk to computers and which languages power your favorite apps and games. What is a programming language? Key points. Computers only understand machine code, zeros and ones. Programming languages act as translators between humans and computers. They allow developers to write instructions in a readable format. Example: when you give the command print, hello, world, this simple command tells the computer to display text written in codes. Why are there so many programming languages? Analogy. Just like people use different spoken languages, English, Hindi, Spanish, programmers use different coding languages for different tasks. Examples: web development, mobile apps, games, artificial intelligence, operating systems. Popular programming languages. Python, best for beginners. AI and machine learning. Automation. Fun fact: used by YouTube, Instagram, and NASA. JavaScript, best for websites. Interactive web apps. Fun fact: nearly every modern website uses JavaScript. Java, best for Android apps. Large business applications. Fun fact: write once, run anywhere. C++, best for video games. High-performance software. Fun fact: used in game engines and operating systems. C#, best for Unity game development. Fun fact: many popular indie games are built with C#. How does code become a program? Step by step. Write code. Compiler or interpreter translates it. Computer executes the instructions. Program runs. Which programming language should you learn first? If you want to, goal language. Start coding easily Python. Build websites JavaScript. Make games C# or C++. Create Android apps Java. Learn computer fundamentals C++. Recommendation: Python is usually the easiest language for beginners. Common myths about programming. Myth 1. You must be a math genius. Reality: problem solving is more important. Myth 2. Coding is only for adults. Reality: many successful programmers started as teenagers. Myth 3. You need an expensive computer. Reality: most beginner coding can be done on almost any laptop. Future of programming. Topics: AI-assisted coding, robotics, game development, cybersecurity, Virtual reality. Message. Programming is becoming one of the most valuable skills of the future. Conclusion and call to action. Recap. Programming languages help humans communicate with computers. Different languages have different strengths. Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and C# are among the most popular. CTA. If you could create any app, game, or website, what would it be? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep building your tech skills with Codecraft Teens. Please comment if you have any question. That was fun.
Subscribe and join the journey bright. Keep learning, keep building day